Hi everybody, Emanuela here from Dog IBS. I just wanted to wish and hope that you are having a great Saturday and that all is well and you are at peace in your life. But I wanted to touch base with you, and the article that I'm attaching below is about how your dog needs minerals. And I do make that a point that giving them the right food, a whole food diet, putting them on an alkaline diet and getting all those toxins and chemicals from commercial foods out of their system and their body, as well as giving them the right environment with friendly bacteria that's blended with microorganic algae, as well as enzymes that are also blended with microorganic algae, and minerals, which the algae is working as the mineral component in both the friendly bacteria, the probiotics, and the algae. So this article is for you to hopefully take something away from it, knowledge about what your dog needs and why it is important to feed them minerals, okay? Just as it is equally important that we as people have the right minerals and nutrients coming into our body. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a blessed day, and I will see you soon. Bye.